What are the odds of something like this happening? We've been following these flashing lights all over the world, and last night, right here along this interstate, a helicopter was filming the situation on the ground, and there was a reporter down here talking about the situation. Here's the reporter. Here's the view from the helicopter. Here's the interstate that I just showed you guys right here. That's the 405 freeway. Watch what happens during the filming of this particular episode. I mean, what are the odds? Check it out. Lights start flashing on the freeway, the street lights. Unbelievable. Look at that. And we're seeing that in various locations around the world. Happened last night around 12:20. Unreal. I mean, absolutely unreal. You can't make this stuff up. Those lights started flashing during a live broadcast. Unbelievable. Right in the middle of California. Going from California to the East Coast, Rochester, New York. This video has narration by Elizabeth Berner from January 21st of 2025. Here we go.
Okay, so we got flickering lights at 5:55 in Rochester, New York. Okay, here they are. Here they are. We're driving, and they're flickering. The lights are flickering everywhere. Okay, here we go. Flickering lights. Flicker, flicker. Rochester, New York. Today is Tuesday, the 21st, and it's 5:58. And not all the lights are flickering, but some of them are flickering, as you can see. And how about here on this Wegmans parking lot? Let's see. None of those lights are flickering.
Guys, I've got 40 more videos that I'm working on of this mysterious phenomena of the flickering lights that are occurring all around the world. I've updated the map here in the United States. There's over 50 now. Got an arrow up here pointing towards the United Kingdom. As it's also happening up there, I'm working on a video out of the United Kingdom, Hawaii, and Australia. So this is indeed a widespread global phenomena that continues to mystify people around the world.